Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In this tutorial, I'll provide you a solution to the problem in which you are not able to open any exe file in your Windows PC. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. Right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager to open the Task Manager. Here click on the File menu. In File menu, hold the control button and click on Run New Task. It will open CMD for you. In CMD, type SFC / scan now. After that, hit the enter button to fix any registry issues in your computer. It will take a time, so I'll go ahead and close this. Make sure you hit the enter button and after that restart your PC once the process is completed and check for the resolution if the problem is resolved or not. If not, we are going to proceed with second step. Again in second step, click on the file menu and hold the control button and click on run new task. Type here regedit.exe and hit the enter button. It will open registry editor to you. In registry editor, you need to locate a file in H key classes root, expand it and file a file name as .exe. Here is the .exe file and in this right pane, double click on default value and make sure here value data must be exe file. Secondly, now you need to open H key classes root. In this taskbar, you need to type the path of that particular file. I'll provide you this path in the description below so that you can copy and paste directly over here. Exe file /cell /open /command. After opening this file in this right pane, again open the default file value and here value data, make sure it should be like this. Provide this value in the description below so that you can copy and paste directly over here. Restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. If still the problem is not resolved, we are going to proceed with third step. In third step, we are going to revert program file location to its default value. For that again, now locate a file in HKey local machine. In this address bar, type a path HKey local machine software Microsoft Windows current version and hit the enter button. I'll provide this path also in the description below so that you can copy and paste directly in this address bar to open this particular location. Then in this right pane, you need to locate two files, program files dir and program files dir x86. Open program files dir and value data must be look like this. C drive program files. Make sure this value data must be as it is. And in program files dir x86, open it and again make sure the value data should be C drive program files x86. After that, restart your computer and check if the problem is resolved or not. By now your problem must be resolved. If not, we are going to proceed with last step. In this last step, you need to open CMD and here we are going to change the file association type. So you need to type here ASSOC space .exe is equal to exe file. After that, hit the enter button. That's it you have to do. It will take few seconds to process the command and then all your exe files, whether it is your command prompt, your registry editor or any software you are trying to open will open automatically for 100%. If you like my video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video.